case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1978, the Supreme Court heard the case of Butz v. Economou, which centered on the immunity of federal officials in the executive branch from claims for damages arising from violations of citizens' constitutional rights. The situation began when the Department of Agriculture revoked or suspended the registration of Arthur N. Economou and Company, Inc. Upon review, the Court of Appeals vacated the decision, and Economou filed a lawsuit claiming that department officials selectively targeted him for criticizing the agency. Initially, the district court dismissed the claim, stating that the officials were entitled to absolute immunity within their scope of authority. However, the Court of Appeals reversed the decision, ruling that respondents only had qualified immunity. The Supreme Court then took up the case to clarify the importance of the immunity doctrine in upholding constitutional guarantees and ensuring the effective functioning of the government. Ultimately, the Supreme Court held that federal officials were not immune from all claims for damages resulting from violations of citizens' constitutional rights. Instead, these officials had qualified immunity based on good faith and reasonable grounds. The court also determined that judges, federal prosecutors, adjudicatory officials, and agency officials had absolute immunity for acts within their jurisdiction and similar functions. The case was then remanded back to the district court for further proceedings in accordance with these established principles.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.